Welcome back to H&H Productions. Today, me and Harper will be doing the real versus squishy challenge. So, if you get a squishy, you get a point. And
if you don't get the squishy,
you don't get a point.
And
the person with the least amount of points loses. So, tell us in the comments what should be the loser's punishment for our next video.
Oh, and if you didn't subscribe yet,
subscribe now.
Subscribe.
And click the like button.
Yeah.
That's good stuff. Yes, I got a squishy. Look how cute that is. That little baby ice pop. You have a knife. Oh my god. She has a Lunchable.
I think I should save this for another day. So yeah.
She's gonna put it in the refrigerator. Maybe she can have it for school tomorrow.
And if you didn't know, that lunchbox, my lunchbox, is from Descendants.
Nothing else. All right. I'm gonna go get someone else to fill these lunch boxes up.
Okay. Now is the time to subscribe. And when Harper is getting someone else to fill the lunch.
You mean Haven?
Oh yeah. I did Harper. That was weird. That's my name. Because we're twins, it's kind of hard to. Mom,
I heard you say we're twins.
We're not twins.
Alright.
Well, we kind of look the same.
Warhead spray.
I want to eat this on my go. I got a cake squishy. So, we each have a point right now. Me, Harper, I have 1 point, and Haven has another.
Hey. Alright, I get it.
It's not that sour.
Alright.
It says super sour, but it's not that sour.
Round next.
Oh, and also, if you didn't hit the like button, do that right now. I want to eat that whole candy bar.
I am
Haven's back.
Donut squishy. Actually, I made this donut squishy.
I made another one, but it didn't show up
so amazing, right?
yet. Yeah.
So
Haven made them.
nice.
I'm gonna have.
And doughy. And so squishy.
Oh, if you didn't know the cereal, it's Honey Nut Cheerios.
And it's a tiny bag. I have them. Wait, I can keep those if you want, but I'm gonna go get someone to fill these up.
I'm gonna eat my cereal when Haven is getting some.
Where are you, Maria?
Maria is filling up the lunchbox. She is the lunchbox. By the way, I think she's a friend of Haven's.
She's my BFF.
I made a smile this. Now put these to the side if I want to eat them later.
This is the one that Harper made.
I want to eat this. Look how long my tongue is.
Well, you already have Honey Nut Cheerios. So.
Maybe I should eat these instead.
Right. Next rank.
Next rank. By the way, if you didn't know who Maria was, I said it sometimes by BFF to Haven.
Want to put hide and go seek after I do my challenge?
Actually, maybe me and Harper will. Maybe if you won, we can do fine.
Why do you keep calling me Harper?
Me and Haven. Maybe we're going to do a
I
hide
think
and
this
go
is
seek
the last
video.
round. Skittles. Taste the thing. There you go.
Can I have some?
2.
Smell it.
So who was the loser?
Smell it.
Harper was the loser. Maria was counting.
Oh,
She's kind of shy in case you didn't hear her.
Hi, Maria.
Bye.